Good morning, viewers. In the last video, we have discussed a memory play written by William Tennyson, an American playwright. Now we have discussed more, and I am going to discuss the theme of the play. In fact, in the last video, there is a little bit I describe why it is based on memory. The theme of the play is totally based on memory. Not only the memory, but the reminiscence and all sweet and bad experiences of life, the suffering, and other things which have been suffered by a family. In fact, it is a memory play narrated by Tom. Tom is a main character. There are five main characters. First is Tom, the son of the family, Winfing family. Her mother Amanda, and his disabled sister. And there is a color man also. It is a memory play narrated by Tom Wingfield, who reflects on his life with his overlapping and overbearing mother Amanda and his physically disabled sister Clara. In 1930s St. Louis, the play explored themes of illusion versus reality, escape, and the constraints of family expectation, particularly through the lens of Tom's described to escape his steaming home life and Amanda's restlessness. The play centers on the Wingfield family, consisting of Amanda, Tom, and Laura, having in compared St. Louis apartment. Their father, Mr. Wingfield, abandoned them years ago, leaving Amanda to cope with his raising their children alone. Amanda, a former Southern Belle, constantly reminiscence about her past, clinging to idealized memory of her youth and her many suitors. She tries to recreate this past for her children, particularly Laura, pursuing her to find a husband. Laura, who has a physical disability and cripsy sinus, finds solace in her collection of Glass Menagerie. These delicate creates symbolize her own vulnerability and her retreat from reality. Tom, working of a shoe factory, fades and feels trapped himself by his responsibility and his mother's expectation. He escaped through writing and attending movies, but his desire to leave intensifies. Amanda insists Tom bring home a gentleman caller for Laura. Hoping to secure her future, Tom invites Jim O'Corder, acquaintance from work. Laura experiences a rare moment of joy and connection with Jim, but he reveals he is engaged. This revelation crushes her and further solaces her. Tom's departure. After the disastrous visit Tom and Amanda have a fight, and Tom decided to leave just as his father did. He embarks on a journey, but the play suggests that he can never fully escape the emotional ties to his family and his. The play explores theme of memory, illusion, escape the burden of family, expectation, and the impact of the past on the present. The Glass Menagerie serve as a powerful symbol of fragility, vulnerability, and delicate nature of dreams and illusion.